Hi guys, welcome to One Item 3 Ways, where today I'm going to show you 3 super simple but extremely delicious recipes to make using Kikkoman less sodium soy sauce to help you ring in Chinese New Year. So much fun! Kikkoman less sodium soy sauce is perfect for the home cook looking to reduce sodium levels without sacrificing flavor, of course. So let's just do this! Press your wontons into your muffin molds and bake until golden brown. In a bowl, combine chicken, Napa cabbage, purple cabbage, and cilantro, peanuts, green onion, don't forget the carrots, and toss. In a small bowl, mix Kikkoman less sodium soy sauce and peanut butter together. Add your sauce to the salad mixture and toss. Add your Thai peanut chicken salad to your Wonton Cups. Chinese 5-spice chicken wings. In a bowl, combine Kikkoman less sodium soy sauce, lime juice, brown sugar, garlic powder, Chinese 5-spice powder, sesame seeds, honey, and stir. In an airtight container, add 2/3 of your marinade and your chicken wings, and set 1/3 of your marinade aside. Place your chicken wings on the rack and bake. Mix your ground pork, chopped scallions, add Kikkoman less sodium soy sauce, carrots, ginger, and mix. Place a spoonful of the filling into the center of your dumpling wrappers. Brush the edge of the wrapper with water and fold, pleat, and repeat. Heat Kikkoman sesame oil, add your dumplings and brown. Add water and steam. Alright guys, that's it for our One Item 3 Ways using Kikkoman less sodium soy sauce. Thanks for watching, bye!